Welcome to this Easy Tech News channel, and here we have the new iPhone 12 that has been announced. So yesterday, Apple had its famous event later than usual. Usually the iPhones are actually released and announced much earlier in the year, but this year, kind of a very weird year with COVID. So the announcements were actually pushed later in the year, and they happened yesterday, Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. So 4 iPhones were announced, and we'll actually have a separate video with all the specs and the information on all 4 models in the next videos. So if you want to learn a little more, that's where you'll have all the information. So what are the 4 models that were actually announced? Well, they have a iPhone 12 mini. They have a regular iPhone 12. They have the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So 4 iPhones were announced. Kind of interesting because they're going back to kind of a squarish design, if you want, like they did in the past. When you look at these pictures, you have the impression of seeing, except for the camera, of course, seeing, iPhone 5s or something like that. It's the old way of doing their iPhones. A lot of people actually like that design, so this is the possibility why they came back to this older design. So 4 iPhones announced, and we'll actually have the specs. Each one has less or more different features, and of course screen size is different, and we'll look at all the details of every phone. So check out 4 videos coming up: one for the iPhone mini, iPhone 12 mini, one for the regular iPhone 12, one for the iPhone 12 Pro, and one for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.